So welcome back to the channel. Man guys, we live in our RV full time and we have had our original mattress and we've done nothing to our bed, so you know what we're kind of dealing with right now. We're gonna go over that. There's 3 essential things you're going to need for your RV mattress. Right now, you're inside of our bedroom. This is where all the magic happens. Say hello to my beautiful wife.
Hello.
This is where all the magic is right here, guys. I would go down, but she might get mad at me. So check out my kids. Man, look what they're doing. They've already made a little plaything with the stuff that we're going to need for this video. So we're going to go through 3 things, as I said. If you do own an RV or you're thinking about it, the very first thing you should do is 100% protect this bed. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so my wife's going to lift up the mattress here. Actually, we probably have to go a little bit further in. How about that? So, as you can see, if you have an RV and you have not put something down on this wood, something that you're going to have an issue with is mold. As you guys know, if a mattress is on wood, it's harder for it to breathe. So you need to probably put some type of material down. There's a few things I'll list at the end of this video that you can look at. And I just showed you the first thing that we just purchased here. But you have to put something down to kind of allow this to breathe. Because if you don't, as you can see, we kind of created a little bit of a mold spot right here. This is me. That's my wife. So I sweat obviously too much. Good thing I shower at night. But another thing is too, in the wintertime, that's probably where all this happened at. I don't really see this being an issue in the summer because typically the temperatures are not fluctuating as much. So this will be an issue more so in the wintertime. You probably can't really see it in the camera, but right here, there's some mold growing right here. So we could clean this, and obviously this is a junk mattress anyways. You see how easy it is to bend this thing. This thing is not comfortable. We do have a topper for it. It's not even that thick, but we like our mattress a little bit firmer, and we'll show you the mattress that we purchased too today. But this is something you really want to take care of as soon as you pick up your RV. Even have the RV dealer maybe show you a few things. Maybe they can probably do something for you before you pick it up. But you really want to do this early on. That way you don't accumulate this problem here. Because if you do decide to keep this mattress, you have to clean it and then you have to let it air dry. And yeah, it's just better just to handle it before it becomes a problem. Now that we're outside, you can really see the place where the mold's growing at right there. So yeah, make sure you put something on your bed, all right?
So I'm cleaning the wood, the mold off of the wood, with a mixture in this bottle of water, hydrogen peroxide, detergent, Dawn dish soap, and a little bit of mint, peppermint oil. I also wet a magic eraser. So I'll kind of scrub the mold, which mold can be cleaned off of wood, so, and it's completely safe. Once we do this, we'll put the lattice over top, and that'll act as a barrier so that moisture doesn't get trapped under our mattress. Alrighty.
Oh my goodness, wow. Alright, so she's pretty much got it nice and wiped down. You guys just saw how disgusting that thing looks. Yeah, that's going straight in the trash can. So, and one thing you want to kind of do too is get the worst spots first and maybe throw away that, whatever you're cleaning it with, a cloth or a magic eraser like we are. And then get a second one to clean the not so dirty spots on the wood. That way you don't transfer the mold basically. So we're gonna let this thing dry and then we'll show you guys what we're gonna do next. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're probably about a foot too long. So I'm gonna have to cut this down, that way we can have it fit perfectly. So I'm just using, these are like wire cutters. And I also have a pocket knife too. Let's see if this will work. Let's see. This might take... Yeah. This is going to take too much more time. So you're definitely going to want something like this to try to cut through this. But yeah, this will probably take us maybe like 20 minutes or so to cut all this out. But I'll just kind of time lapse this for you so we can kind of get an idea. I said 20 minutes. This is probably like 5 minutes. I overestimated. This is really easy once you figure out how to cut it. And if you have a bigger wire cutter or something, that'll make life easier too. But yeah, this is a perfect way to do this. Now, like I said, I don't have a nail gun. I am going to get one so I can run some nails through this. I don't need a lot. I probably might just do maybe 4 at the front, maybe 3 at the bottom here, and maybe 3 in the middle. And that should hold it pretty good. But we've had our father-in-law tell us that Lattice will help prevent mold buildup, so this is proven to work. All right. Do you need some help?
Yep.
Cool. All right. Hold on 1 second.
Another way you could do this is measuring your bed frame and then doing this outside where you have more room.
Yeah.
We're coming off of a 10-hour drive, so we got excited, and this is where we are.
And our bed came like 2 weeks earlier than we expected. So we want to sleep on a new bed. And I'm almost done. And Hannah's right. You could have easily measured the wood and then cut this outside. And actually, it's a nice day. I don't know why we aren't outside. This would be perfect to go outside.
Again, I think just fuzzy brains from
True. But nevertheless, we're done. Cut that off. We're good to go. All right, so we have completed the cuts. This only took us like 5 minutes. I said 20, and it was not that long. But we have some leftover pieces. We're gonna use some of this under our son's bed because his is like on a hard surface also. Because we live in this thing full time, you really want to try to prevent this type of stuff happening because it's a small space and mold does grow quickly. So let's go over the second thing that's essential to your RV bedding. Now the second essential thing you're going to need for your RV bedroom is, oh gosh, here it is. So you're going to need a new RV mattress. This one is pretty self-explanatory. However, one curveball I'm going to throw at you is this. If you are building your RV from the factory and there's an option for a king bed, I would tell you not to choose it. RV bedrooms are really small, and the mattresses they throw in these rooms make it very cumbersome, and you kind of lose space inside of here. So I would definitely consider just sticking to a queen bed. I think we built this one slightly shorter than the mattress that we have, so we have more room going in and out of here. So hopefully it works out. So we're gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like when we pull this thing out of here. It did not come with any directions. It just came in a really big box that was like halfway open. And yeah, hopefully this goes right. So they wrapped this thing really good. Okay, so we just got the first piece off, and now it's here. Let's go this way. We pretty much have it done. Love how they, package this thing together. It's really cool how they do this now. But let's go ahead and just finish taking it out. It would really come in handy if this lattice was like already bolted down. Man, guys, we are done. Now we have to go to the third thing, but the bed fits a little bit more flush side to side, and it's actually a little bit shorter too, so it fits perfectly. So we're gonna go to the third thing, as I said, and this is probably the best one, I think. This is something that we got, what, about a year ago now, and we've been snaking you guys. So let me go ahead and find it, and we'll show you what it is. All right, guys, so here's the grand finale. If you plan on getting an RV, you want to stay comfortable, 100% get a Beddy's comforter. Now this is not only nice and warm, but this actually zips. So you don't have to worry about tucking in the covers. All you have to do is just zip it up, and that's how you pretty much make your bed. And it fits flush around the mattress like you see here. Look at that, so easy. And even my kids can do it. And they are not paying us to do this video, I want to make that clear. But I will say, I don't like making the bed, and having this zipper to zip up your comforter is so much easier, and it makes the room a lot more, or I should say, it makes the room a lot less cluttered. That's probably the best way to put it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and zip this thing up and show you guys what it looks like.
Literally just zipping up the corner.
Nice.
What I love about Beddy's is the mattress in an RV is typically, or the bed I should say, is typically like the focal point of the room. And so I like seeing the bed made, and this makes it much easier. Literally, me and Justin wake up, as soon as we're both out of bed, we can zip up our sides, put the pillows up, and it looks good.
Yep, here's the zipper. And they actually give you, what's this called again? It like kind of folds off to the side too for you. You
little mink.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's like a mink inside, but you zip it in there. That way, yeah.
You can zip it up, baby.
But you zip it inside of the bed though. But when you're going to bed, it kind of lays out to kind of give you more comfort. Let's see if my daughter can do it. There you go.
I did it.
Alright guys, so I didn't want to show you all the way over there just because we did bleach it a little bit. So we're gonna have to buy another Beddy's, unfortunately. These are like a couple $100, but all in all guys, like I said, this is the finished project. And yeah, like I said, it's easy to zip this thing up. We have a brand new mattress, so we will effectively end this video tomorrow after we sleep on it, but we're gonna show you where we got the mattress from. Alright guys, so here is the Lattice that I purchased. It's $39.98 for the bigger piece, and it was $16.88 for the smaller piece. The dimensions are below here. Now Hannah's going to go over the bed that we chose, which was
RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. We went with Brooklyn Wanderlust, the memory foam mattress, and we also went with the Short King 72 by 75, which is currently on sale for $430. This had high reviews. We really just went off of reviews, and so we're looking forward to giving it a try. So our bed set is from Beddy's. As you can see here, they offer a variety of different styles. We went with Naturally Boho with the Minky. The Minky is basically a really soft interior sheet. It has been super comfortable. It is made making the bed every day so much easier. We absolutely love it and highly recommend it. We went with the King, and that is going for $349 currently. Babe.
Huh.